take decision. Then you take long time to fail. You can learn, you can also take time to learn, long time. Then how can you learn? If you make mistake, then we can learn. That's why everyone should take decision early, and they fail also early. They can learn early and they can improve themselves. They become a strong leadership if they fail early.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, and if you don't fail early, then how can you learn? We learn our mistake, right? You are a experienced person in your professional life. Then how many
Yeah.
time you failed? You means struggle with your senior, right? After that you
Yes, you're right. You're right.
after that you got that position, that respect, that kind of anything. But if you remember that kind of situation when you joined, right? That's when your
Yeah, yeah.
senior, they maintain the social distance from you. They never made you learn, right? Your professional life, you
Yeah,
learn
you're right.
yourself because you fail many times, you fall down many times, and you wake up, you reach. After that you learn. Right now you get that position, right?
Yes, you're right.
Then if you don't take, if you never fail, if you never um, you can say your senior, if you never talk with them, if you never interact with them, they they never ignore you, then you cannot learn. They started ignoring you, then you learn. Because why that person ignoring me, and why that person never make me learn me anything, that professional life how it work inside. Then you, people human mind, what they see, they touch, and they learn. फर्स्ट
Yeah,
ह्यूमन लर्न दिस काइंड ऑफ देख के सीखते हैं, टच करके सीखते हैं. इफ़ यू डोंट नो हाउ टू, देख के नहीं सीख पाएंगे तो फिर आपको स्कूल जाना पड़ेगा, राइट? The first of
yeah,
all,
yeah,
everyone learn what people, other people, they do it. That is a human
yes.
nature.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's why people, they take decision, they long time to take decision. That's why they fail long, and they are their age also growing. Their age doesn't support them to do any kind of work. After 32 years, 33 years, they think about what I am doing, what type of work I will do. They think about it, right? That's when market
Yeah,
also, they never support them. Age also doesn't support them. Their certificate degree also doesn't support them to help to
yeah,
generate income source.
yes, you're right.
Due
Yeah,
to they take long time to take decision. That is a big issue,
yes, you're so
right?
right.
That's why leadership quality is if you don't talk with different mentality people, then you cannot learn anything, my point of view. Because
Yeah,
if you
that's
someone
very
hurt you,
um,
then you can learn.
valid. Sounds, yeah, valid. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
So, as per your opinion,
Hmm.
we have to meet a different kind of people.
Of course,
All right.
definitely.
So we have to talk. We have to interact.
Yeah.
So how do we grow that? Can I say? Because it's
Communication.
not very easy to mingle to everyone. So for that we need, if for example,
Hmm.
if I know, okay, I'm going to meet to someone,
Hmm.
so I know that he is well versed at something, especially in some background, okay.
Hmm.
So I if I go and to communicate with that person,
Hmm.
so I should fulfill my knowledge with the same thing what he has, at least.
Hmm.
so some knowledge, okay, so to talk, otherwise it's no use to communicate. So I can't go and to communicate with each and everyone without having enough knowledge. So what do you think?
Yeah, you want to tell about offline physical people, right? I am right. We talk with
Yeah.
anyone in online, but if you talk with physical people, then you have to go through. If you have any issue, or if you want to talk with that person to solve your problem, or you want to get some benefit from that person, then you have to know everything. You have to learn how to manage, how to talk with next person, because you have a benefit over that person, right? If you talk smoothly, you know about that person, what type of nature that person, he is aggressive or short temper or nice person. Because of market, you know about his or her market value, reputation, before meeting that person, right? You have to know about
Yes,
it,
yes.
because if you don't know anything, how can you communicate with that person? You know that person is a
Yes, yes.
short temper,
Yeah.
that person only don't want to listen more different conversation, he want to listen only point to point. Then you have to prepare yourself. If I meet that well
Yeah.
educated person and he's a short temper, then you have to know what he like or dislike. You start according to his desire. You we cannot treat everyone like a same thing. That's why before I told you, some people, if someone talk with you softly, then we talk with that person softly. Someone they talk with us hardly, then we have to talk with that person hardly. Then we can control that situation. And you talk with that person with respect, and that person aggressive with you, then you cannot control that person, they dominate you. Then we have to
Okay.
learn
According
all kind
to
of.
my personality, my attitudes, okay. So until unless my mind accept to someone, uh, okay, so I can't talk fluently. For example, my mind fixed, okay, with some personal, okay, some personality or the people who I am talking, okay. So even if I'm talking with people who knows very well, even I talked so many times, my mind
Okay.
doesn't allow me to talk to that particular person just because of the superiority. Okay, maybe they are superior than me and the knowledge or the communication. So but still my mind allow me to talk with people who has also the same category, I mean superior than me. This, I don't know how my mind is working, and because it's out of my control, so depends on my mindset. I do and perform, and it's a kind of illusions made inside me, and then allow me I mean to express those things and ideas to the yeah, to each and everyone. So accordingly, it's a kind of process. Okay, this make already made. Okay, so I'm just trying to get rid of or to change this mindset, but I couldn't. I'm telling you, for instance, okay, so I know some friends who knows me, and me knows them very well. Okay, so we talked, but there is a comfort. Okay, there is some comfort zone. It's created by my mind. Okay, so the mind instructed me. Yes, he is the one who, or he is the one who show comfort to you to talk. Okay, so that time my mind active so much, and it's give me a good, I mean, without any flaw, I mean flawlessly I can talk to them, and I express my ideas, and I can communicate so without hesitating. This yeah, that has that that freedom gives me good knowledge, it
Yeah.
automatically develop my communication without flawless. So,
Yeah.
flawless. So that's the difference. The same case, okay. In the other hand,
Hmm.
if my mind telling something to avoid to talk, okay. But unfortunately, if I happen to talk to that guy,
Hmm.
my mind doesn't allow me to to talk, because it's kind of obstacles or something that
Hmm.
made not to talk, because there is no words not coming. There is no proper delivery out
Hmm.
of my mind.
Hmm.
So that's kind of problems that I'm facing since a long time. So I just wanted to overcome, but I couldn't.
Yeah, I heard about everything carefully what you told your problem, because you have that kind of comfort zone. You always interact with same category people and friendly. If you talk with that person means long time, and you always think I want to talk with that person, I want to share my knowledge idea, and I want to discuss with that person, because that is a good quality. You you have hungry to learn more thing. You are hungry to know about new thing from that person. That is a good quality. But you always because you have to develop also, you have to out of comfort zone. That is also you required, because you always like comfort zone. If you talk with same person, and if you talk with that person and you don't like to talk with other people, because you always think if I talk that person, how he or she responds me, then you cannot know about that person mindset. You start to talk, it's okay, he or she ignore you, then it's okay, leave it. We cannot disturb that person. But if you never start talking with that person, how can you evaluate with them? That's why communication solves the problem, right? Without communication,
Yeah, yeah.
nothing solve the problem. Communication is one bridge. It is a bridge. That's why we people learning language communication both are same thing. It is a bridge.
Yes, yes.
They solve the problem. They, you transfer your thought. If you connect with someone, maybe that person like your attitude, behavior, communication, then once again that person ready to talk with you, that person also want to share with you. You always like only comfort zone, then that is also good, but we have to go and jump also out of comfort zone, right? Because we have to
Yes.
create friendly atmosphere. If you, that person also keeps silent, and you always thinking how I start conversation with that person, then that is a
Mm-hmm.
never lead any kind of good conversation, right? Because someone you
Yeah,
see,
yeah.
that person is a silent, that person is a
Yeah.
good person, but he always keeps silent, then you start on your words, right? That's why the greeting
Yeah,
part is
correct.
required. Even though, what is conversation? Tell me, it is a essay writing. Because of
Mm-hmm.
introduction, body structure, conclusion. That is a essay. Communication also exact. You ask introduction. If we ask introduction represented that person what kind of, you can evaluate that person
Mm-hmm.
is a they, that person is a knowledgeable or not, that person is a good or not, according to his conversation you can evaluate. Then go through
Mm-hmm.
body structure, right? Means topic, any topic to discuss each other. After that is a conclusion part.
Mm-hmm.
This kind of conversation, because you told, if